Hey guys, how you guys doing? Today I wanted to come with a quick video on how I how I put on my rollers that I purchased from Forever 21. I got it for $1.80. Yeah, got for $1.80. The company, it's Love and Beauty by Forever 21 hair curlers, 8 pieces, medium size. I'm going to use all 8 of the rollers, and this will be a quick video. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes to put on your head. This is how it turned out. This is my after shot. And I'll be posting a picture right after. So, yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, for this look, you will need rollers. You can use 2-pack, but this really sticks on coarse hair, kinky, natural hair. Because when I purchased this for my birthday, I was going to put the rollers on my weave, my U-part wig, but it wouldn't stay because the hair was too silky and soft. So today I was like, I didn't want to apply heat. I apply heat Saturday, and today's Tuesday, and I put this on Monday. So you will need rollers, clips. I have my silver clips, a hair comb. It doesn't have to be this wide, but my hair doesn't have a relaxer and it's kind of rough in the roots. So your comb and hairspray. Today I'll be using Arbor Essence. I'm not using the olive oil spray. I applied the olive oil spray yesterday, and my hair was flying everywhere, and it felt so good yesterday. It was like 40-something degrees outside, but today I wanted to hold just a tad bit, not too much. So, okay, now you're just gonna comb out your hair however you want your style. I already parted my part and up to here, so I am going down near my ear. And I'll be applying the rollers first in the front. Section my hair. I'll be sectioning my hair in medium size. And I will not apply any jam or gel or edge control to my edges. I am going to flip this like it's a curling iron. And I'm going to turn it on the bottom part, the end. I'm going to put it here on the bottom. Not on the top, the bottom. And you're going to hold it like you will roll it if you're putting a roller set to stay underneath the dryer. And it sticks. It stays in place. Section it. Comb it out. Grab your roller. I usually stop right close to the end. I don't go all the way in the end. And you twist the end part. And you place it. For this one, I'll be rolling it towards the back, just so I can get that nice swoop. And I stick it to the bottom of this one, and it stays in place. Now for the back, well, for the side, I'm going to make sure I get this side out. This is going to be one roller itself. And go down the middle. Clip it down. Section my back. I always start from the bottom because I don't want it to stick up when I start from the top. You comb the bottom. You hold it. You grab your roller. Same thing. And you roll it. Make sure you get all the hair to stick. The top, I want a little volume, so I'm not going to roll it this way. I'm going to roll it a little up to get volume. Not so much. You see? Same way. And you roll back. All the hair might not fit because look how I filled in the rollers already. So, you know what you're going to do? You're just going to place it right there. It's going to look a little loose than the rest of the rollers, but it's going to stay in place. We're going to do the same for this back. Pin it, but not to the hair. Just let it fall on top. Comb it out. I do not spray my hair in between the time I'm applying the rollers, just because I don't like it in the hair so much. I just want it to be on top of the hair to coat the hair. If any hair is sticking out, you just roll it in. See? Stays. Comb out this part. Remember, I want volume, so I'm not going to roll it here. I'm going to roll it from here. Keep rolling it till it sticks. You see that little bump? It's going to fall just like that. And for this, I'm going to roll it back because I'm going to put my hair to the side. You see how I'm applying it? Go underneath, hold it. Just keep rolling it until it can't roll anymore, and it stays in place. And so this is your look. You can leave this on. Well, hold on. You apply your little spray. Not too much. Just a little bit. And usually when I do this, I do this before I go in the shower because I like to go in the shower with the rollers on my head, but I have a plastic bag over my hair so that when it's humid in the shower, the curls will stay just a little bit. It's like using a flat iron or a curling iron kind of. And so I leave it on for 30 minutes or 15. If I'm in a rush, I leave 15, but usually I leave it for 30 minutes. And I'm going to show you how it turns out. Okay, guys, it's like past 30 minutes. It's like 48 minutes. So let me take this out. I start from the bottom. And you just pull it out. If it's hurting you, that's not a good thing. And look, see? Curl, I'm going to push it in the back. Take the other one. Make sure you don't yank your hair. And let that fall. Just follow. See? My dry, guys, but it's going to look pretty right after this. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to comb this out. It's going to fall the way I had it. Always comb your hair from the ends to the roots, but yeah, I don't know. See? This part, I'm just going to comb it on this side because I'm wearing my hair to the side today. And then take my comb, just do the hair over. And voila, you look fabulous in 30 minutes. Well, 48 minutes. Ready to go to work. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and leave comments. And also share this video with everybody. Bye. Camera fun.